Chapter 1. Hello Computer. Hello students. Meet computer, our friend. I am a desktop computer. Meet my cousins. All in one computer. This is a laptop. This is a tablet. This is a smartphone. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine. Let us first discuss about a machine. A machine is a gadget that reduces human efforts, helps in making our life simpler and our work faster. It also makes our work easier, saves time and energy. Let us have a look at some of the machines that we use in our daily life. Some machines are manual, that is, they work with human power. For example, zip, vegetable chopper, stapler. Some machines run on fuel. For example, aeroplane, car, ship. Some machines run on electricity. For example, TV, refrigerator, air conditioner. Let us see the difference between manual and automatic machines. Manual machines, automatic machines. A manual machine works by physical efforts. An automatic machine does not need any physical efforts or any mediator for its functionality. It doesn't need any fuel or electricity. It needs the fuel or electricity to work. It cannot work for a long time because it works on manpower. It can work for a long time continuously. For example, bicycle, pencil sharpener, manual juicer. For example, motorcycle, electric toaster, fan, camera, computer. Now, let us see the benefits of a computer as an electronic machine. Benefits of a computer. It does not make mistakes if the inputs are correct. It makes our work easy. It works very fast. It never gets tired. It can store lots of information. Chapter 2. Uses of a computer. Children, where have you seen computers? Today they are found all around us. At school, at home, at shopping mall, at bank and office, at airport and railway station. How computers help us? On a computer, we can do many things like watching cartoon movies, playing games like car racing, chess, etc., doing mathematical calculations, typing stories and poems, drawing pictures like cartoon, greeting cards, etc., listening to music, ordering food, planning our holidays, do online shopping.